Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Mva6852 is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets in the market right now, and for good reason. It's packed with features that promise to revolutionize your daily routine, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovation or someone simply seeking to upgrade your current setup, this device aims to deliver an exceptional user experience that stands out from the competition. Number 5. For Uncle's Brake Bleeder Vacuum Pump Kit. Bleed and flush your hydraulic brakes and clutches with ease. This tool utilizes a vacuum system and a large capacity collection reservoir, making brake fluid changes simple for one person. It comes with two 60-inch silicone hoses. One is for general brake systems, and the other is specifically designed for bleeding the master cylinder. Experience efficient bleeding with a variable thumb throttle for consistent airflow and a fixing ring lock for continuous oil extraction. This ensures a quicker and more effective process. Work cleaner, quicker, and quieter. The integrated silencer allows fluid to flow smoothly through the silicone hose, minimizing noise during operation. Its lightweight and compact design makes it incredibly easy to operate and carry. This tool is convenient for everyone, even for women. What we like. This tool is designed for effortless one-person brake bleeding. It features a large capacity reservoir and an automatic master cylinder refill kit, making brake fluid changes simple. If you're a DIY mechanic who wants to save time and avoid the hassle of a two-person job, you should consider this. What people say. The tool was straightforward to use. The reservoir feed worked properly and the suction at the caliper was sufficient. This is a well-made kit. The plastic bits are thick and reinforced with gussets. It looks like you could drop it around the shop and it won't fracture. There is an aluminum plug with double rubber seals to hold pressure. The valve hardware is okay, brass or aluminum, so it won't rust. The hoses are like a surgical rubber, clearish so you can see the fluid in the line. This brake line bleeder kit includes two hoses. One of them you would use to pull brake fluid right out of the master cylinder. And the other hose has the connector which connects to the bleeder valve on the brake caliper. This is the hose that I used and this is how I use this kit. Number 4. Vanity Art 59 Acrylic Freestanding Bathtub Mva6852. Introducing the Vanity Art 59-inch freestanding bathtub, a perfect blend of luxury and modern design for your home. Experience ultimate relaxation with its contemporary style. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, this tub is exceptionally durable and built to last. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust construction for everyday use. Immerse yourself in comfort with its luxurious design. The gentle, body-hugging curves ensure a truly relaxing and enjoyable bathing experience. Maintaining its pristine look is simple thanks to its stain and scratch-resistant properties. This tub is designed for long-lasting beauty and easy care. Its freestanding design offers versatile placement options in any bathroom. Plus, all necessary hardware and a user manual are included for a hassle-free installation. Rest assured with its UPC-certified overflow and pop-up drain. This tub meets high safety and quality standards for your complete satisfaction. What we like. Experience a luxurious soak with this bathtub's premium acrylic construction and inspirational, body contouring design. It's also stain and scratch resistant for easy maintenance. If you're looking for a stylish, durable, and easy-to-care-for centerpiece for your bathroom renovation, this is a great choice. What people say. Yes, the tub is hollow, but there is a surprisingly strong frame on the underside of this tub that makes it very strong and sturdy feeling when you are soaking. Installation was a breeze and only took about an hour. I'm 5 feet 10 inches and this tub is more than big enough for me to soak comfortably. Number 3. FerdY Shangri-La 59 Freestanding Oval Bathtub. Experience conservative elegance with this best-selling classic bathtub. Its design features straight side walls and perfect symmetry for a timeless look. Designed for your comfort, it offers ergonomic, sloped lumbar support and an easy-to-use toe-tap drain. Enjoy longer warm baths thanks to its double-walled fiberglass insulation. Crafted from glossy, pure white, 100% acrylic cast resin, this tub is environmentally friendly, lightweight, and durable. It's also incredibly easy to care for. Available in multiple exterior lengths, including 59 inches, and a 15-inch water depth, it provides a deep and relaxing bathing experience. Choose your preferred finish for the drain and overflow trim. You can also personalize your tub with a separate drain kit in various stylish colors. Installation is made easy with an integrated slotted overflow system and adjustable leveling feet. All necessary parts, including illustrated guides, are included for a hassle-free setup. What we like. This modern oval bathtub offers a deep, relaxing bath thanks to its double-walled insulation that keeps water warmer for longer. It also comes in multiple sizes to fit your space. If you desire a sophisticated soaking experience and want to personalize your bathroom with a tub that offers both style and extended warmth, consider this option. What people say. The Mva6852 has a sleek and modern design that complements any kitchen decor. Its powerful motor efficiently grinds coffee beans to a perfect consistency every time. The Mva6852 features multiple grind settings, allowing for customized coffee preparation. Number 2. Mityvac Mva6851 Fluid Evacuator Extractor. Introducing the Mityvac Mva6851, your ultimate solution for fluid management. This tool is designed for efficient extraction and dispensing of various fluids. This comprehensive kit includes a 2.5-quart pneumatic extractor and all necessary accessories. It's perfect for evacuating, refilling, and bleeding hydraulic systems with ease. Designed for your convenience, it's lightweight for comfortable handling and features a simple design for quick and easy cleaning after every job. Equipped with a 7-to-1/2-inch flexible tube, it allows for accurate fluid extraction and dispensing, even in tight or hard-to-reach areas. The included non-drip cap ensures mess-free operation by securely containing fluids, preventing spills and leaks for a cleaner workspace. It offers precision pressure and vacuum control with gauge-monitored limits below 30 psi. Built for repeated professional use in automotive and industrial settings. What we like. This fluid evacuator is incredibly lightweight and easy to clean, featuring a flexible tube for precision in tight spaces and a non-drip cap for mess-free operation. If you need a compact and user-friendly tool for tasks like master cylinder or coolant fluid changes, especially in confined areas, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Mva6852 has a sleek and modern design that fits perfectly in my kitchen. I love the multiple functions of the Mva6852, it can blend, chop, and puree with ease. The Mva6852 is very powerful and handles frozen fruits and vegetables without any issues. Number 1. Mityvac Mva6852 Fluid Evacuator Extractor. Introducing the Mva6852, a 1.5-liter fluid evacuator and dispensing syringe. It's perfect for handling larger fluid extraction and dispensing tasks in automotive and industrial settings. This syringe features a convenient twist valve for precise control over fluid flow. This makes it easy to start and stop fluid extraction and dispensing exactly when you need to. The dual seal piston design ensures maximum efficiency for both suction and dispensing. You can expect minimal fluid loss and a smooth, consistent operation every time. It comes with the Mva7218 rubber ATF adapter, making it compatible with a wide range of automotive fluids. This includes fluids for master cylinders, transaxles, power steering, and coolant systems. Built to withstand regular use, this fluid syringe is both durable and easy to clean. It's a reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. With its 1.5-liter capacity, twist valve control, and dual seal piston, this fluid evacuator ensures efficient and precise fluid handling for larger tasks. It's built for durability and ease of use in professional settings. If you're a mechanic or enthusiast who frequently works with larger fluid volumes and needs reliable, controlled extraction and dispensing, this tool is ideal. What people say. The extractor dispenser is well made and feels durable, providing confidence in its longevity. The 1.5-liter capacity is perfect for my needs, and it made the fluid change process straightforward and hassle-free. The manual pump action is smooth and efficient, allowing me to extract and dispense the fluid with ease. One of the standout features is the clear container, which makes it easy to monitor the fluid level and ensure the right amount is used. The unit also includes various attachments that fit snugly, preventing any leaks or spills during the process. So much easier and cleaner to use than the little manual gear lube pump bottles. With the Mityvac 1.5L, I managed to quickly change the transmission fluid on my truck, front and rear diff lube and transfer case lube without any spills or mess. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.